Hello and welcome. This is a Teach Me Forex Swing in Position, a weekly wrap-up session. This is March 21st, 2009 edition. So welcome back, traders of the world. Let's take a quick look at last week's results to refresh our memory. Last week we banked 403 pips. Yes, we did. They're not potential pips, they're banked pips. 30.8% return on investment if all them trades are taken, all them pips taken into one account. This week we did even better than that. 521 pips in just 5 days of trading, increasing the account by 46.3% along the way. That's exciting. That's excellent. And let's see how we did that. And so you're asking yourself, well, that's 46.3% as far as money is concerned. What's 521 pips as far as money is concerned? We're about to explain that. Let us introduce Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Baba Big Shot, three hypothetical traders that all been through the Teach Me Forex graduate program and attend the Teach Me Forex Swing and Position Team Trade Room on a daily basis. They just have a different level of experience. Baba's been trading longer than all of them. And they each started 2 trading accounts to trade with us in the Swing and Position Team Trade Room beginning of the year. So the year started for Peter at $500 in each account. Susie Lovelots put in $2,000 in her compounding account and $2,000 in her reward account. And Mr. Big Shot, Baba here, put in $10,000 in both his account, the compounding and the reward account. So let us go from here. Let us flash back at the week. Only 14 trades here were called. Folks, we're looking at 10 winners, 4 losers. A lot of those 10 winners are just break-evens, 1 pippers type thing. But the tally for the week, 521 pips, return on investment of 46.3%. Now, that's pretty smashing. All right, let's look at the itty and gritty. These are the 14 trades, the 4 profit-taking targets on each trade. We got the entry, the stop loss that was used, and the compounding effect on the account. So it all occurred on this FOMC meeting. We were in these 2 trades. The Canadian and the Euro 15-minute had triggered about 2 hours before this meeting. We tightened our stop loss, but everything the reaction went straight our way, straight with us, and it was just a profit-taking festival. Really from there, and these 2 trades really made our week. 284 pips, that's the big kahuna. Oh yeah. And on the Canadian, 197. That's pretty good. And we tallied 521 for the week. So congratulations all the traders, especially to Yi, which he's coming along really well. That's a trader that's improved a lot in the last month or so. All right, so did our traders take all these trades? You're asking, well, there's only 14. Of course they did. In order for the probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in the account, we must take all potential setups that are offered to us. Plain and simple. Now, how do we manage these 2 accounts? Well, typically we're trying to get 10% compounding effect in our first account, in our compound account, and then we'll take the rest of the trades in account number 2. But this week things happened a little special. The Euro and the Canadian trade hit at the same time. And at that time we were only up about 3-4% in our compound account. So we ended up taking those 2 trades in the same compound account. And that compound account ended up compounding by 44% itself. So there was only 2% left for the reward account this week. So hey, that's life. So let's go see how everyone fared. Peter, all right, Peter, which he started with $500 early in the year there. Well, his compound account is now at $1,567, and the reward account, well, didn't increase by much this week, but still at $1,625. So he's tripled what he had since the beginning. And this week, well, added $500 of profit to his havings. Then we got Susie. Well, Susie started with $2,000 in each account. And we could see that compound account went from $4,300 to $6,200 this week. What a week, eh? These 2 trades, this FOMC meeting really did it for us there. And the reward account, well, 6,500. That's more than triple what Susie had as well. And this week she registers a profit, a nice profit of $2,055.13. We got Bubba Big Shot. Well, Bubba has broken for the first time in a week. Bubba's made over $10,000 in 1 week. So look at that. He's got over $31,000 in the compound account and over $32,000, $500 in the reward account. Beautiful, Bubba. $10,275.66 is your profit this week. Wow. There. And that was on 14 trades only. That's all. That's it. That's all. Only one of them came on Friday. So there we go. Everything was packed up nicely into 4 days of trading. 10 winners, 4 losers, 521 pips, 46.3%. Ay, ay, ay. That's juicy. All right. So now comes the questions. Let's try to alleviate some of this skepticism or this curiosity you're having here. Are we expected, Coach Eric, to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? Hey, this is a question that's being asked quite often, so it's got to be in here. And the answer to that is yes, my little FX grasshopper. The money management rule of the swing and position phase, you will agree, are fully mechanical. When I'm saying fully mechanical, I mean entry, exit, stop loss, profit taking, whatever you want to know, it's all mechanical. So whoever does it, whoever reacts, whoever's managing the trade, whether it's ye, whether it's me, whether it's Bubba, whether it's Peter Pipper, we do all create the exact same end results. As long as the emotions don't get into the way, we'll have all the exact same results. That's the Teach Me Forex way, ladies and gentlemen. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day. But do like Teach Me Forex does. Teach him how to fish. He will eat for a lifetime. So we want to be your Forex fishing guide. And to allow us to be your Forex fishing guides, please head to www.teachmeforex.com. Find out who we are, what we do, how we do it, and most importantly, how to join us in one of our exciting team trade rooms right next week. And please help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful and relaxing weekend.